there, welcome back to Webtech Tutorials. If you are thinking about creating a new Hotmail account, you might be wondering what the rules and minimum requirements are for your new Hotmail password. Today, I'm going to walk you through some important information about Hotmail password requirements. If you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you as soon as we post a new video. Since passwords provide defense against unauthorized access to your computer and personal information, you must go through the Since passwords provide defense against unauthorized access to your computer and personal information, you must go through the password creation process while creating an account. You should maintain strong passwords for all accounts you have. While creating a Hotmail password, a password must have at least 8 characters minimum and maximum 16 characters long. That means your password can't be longer than 16 characters and can't be shorter than 8 characters. A password must contain at least 2 of the following: an uppercase letter, lowercase letter, numbers, and symbol. If you have any 2 of them, there should be no problem while creating your password for your Hotmail. If you meet these criteria well while creating an account, there should be no problem while creating it. If you find this video helpful to you in any way, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any comments or feedbacks, comment down below in the comment box. I'll be back again soon with another tutorial video. Till then, thank you for watching. Change your